Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this session I'm going to explain you a sum based on mode as well as mean. So it is exercise 14.2 first sum. The following table shows the ages of the patients admitted in a hospital on a particular day. Find the mode and the mean of the given data given above. Compare and interpret the two measures of central tendencies. So not only mode, we have also to find the mean and we have to interpret. So what is meant by interpret also I'll be explaining you. So friends, I have copied the same question here vertically. So now we will find the mode. For finding mode, we have to find a model class, and that is based on the highest frequency. So if you observe in all these values, 23 is the highest mode, that is frequency. So this will be our model class. Okay. So we have to find the mode as well as mean, but first we will find mode because there we no need of drawing any other column specially for this. So let me write the mode formula. So mode formula is L plus f1 minus f0 by 2f1 minus f0 minus f2 into h. So L is the lower boundary of model class. So what is the lower boundary? It is 35. Next, class size. So what is the class size? 35 and 45. The difference is 10. Next, frequency. Frequency of model class. The frequency of the model class is 23. Okay. Next, frequency preceding model class. The frequency preceding the model class is 21. Frequency succeeding the model class, it is 14. Okay, now just we have to substitute all the values into this formula. That is, so we have L is 35 plus f1 is frequency of the model class, that is 23, minus f0 is the frequency preceding the model class, that is 21, by 2f1, 2 into 23 minus 21, and f2 is the frequency succeeding the model class, that is 14, minus 14, into h, that is height or the class size is 10. 35 plus 23 minus 21 is 2. 2 into 10 is 20, by 23 into 2 is 46, minus 21 plus 14 is 35. So when you subtract 46 minus 35, you get the answer is 11, and therefore mode of the given data is 35. When you simplify 20 by 11, the answer will be equal to 1.81. So that is 35 plus 1.81, which is equal to 36.81. Now we found the value of mode. So still the answer didn't complete. We have to find the mean as well. For finding mean, we have to draw a column for xi, that is class marks, right? So class marks is the mid value, xi is mid value of class intervals. So 15 plus 5 is 20 by 2 is 10. 15 plus 25 by 2 is 20. 35 plus 25 by 2 is 30. 35 plus 45 by 2 is 40. 45 plus 55 by 2 is 50. 55 plus 65 by 2 is 60. Now multiplying these values is not easy, so we will be going to the second method, that is direct mean method. So for that you need to draw a column of DI. So DI is nothing but xi minus a. Okay, so we have to assume any value, so generally we take mid value, but here we are having 2, so from this any one you can choose. I am choosing 30 as my a. Okay, so when you subtract 10 minus 30 will be minus 20. Okay, next 20 minus 30 will be minus 10. 30 minus 30 is 0. 40 minus 30 is 10. 50 minus 30 is 20. 60 minus 30 is 30. Okay, remember only from xi you have to subtract a. Okay, so now sigma, no, not this. Okay, now if you observe, multiplying these values is easy, so you can multiply, you can make another column, that is fi di. Okay, fi and di. So when you multiply, 20 into 6 is minus 120. 10 into 11 is, so 11 into minus 10 is minus 110. 21 into 0 is 0. 23 into 10 is 230. 14 into 20 is 280. 5 into 30 is 150. Okay, so now we have to add all these values, that is sigma fi di. On adding these all values, you will be getting the answer as 480. Okay, so this one, sigma fi frequency, will be equal to, just add all these values, 80. Okay, now we have to find the mean, since we got both the values. So mean will be equal to, since we are doing with step deviation method, the formula will be a plus sigma fi di by sigma fi. Okay, so our assumed mean is, here we assumed 30, right? So our assumed mean will be 30 plus, we got answer as 480. So 480 by frequency is 80. So 30 plus, on simplifying this, you get the answer as 5.375. Okay, so it will be equal to 35.37. So no need of writing other digit also. If you want, you can write it. So after point, 2 digits are more than enough. So therefore mean of the given data is this much. So you got the mode like this and the mean like this. So now we have to write the interpretation. What is meant by interpretation means, just based on the answer you got, you have to conclude using one sentence. So interpretation will be writing it as, so as we know that mean is equals to 35.375 and mode is equal to 36.81. So on maximum, patients, so maximum patients only, so maximum patients are of 36 years. So I'm just writing the answer before point, no need after point, because years will be counted in this way only. And on average each patient is of 34 years. Okay, so the interpretation will be, as we know that mean is 35.375 and mode is 36.81, so maximum patients are of 36 years and on average each patient is 34 years. So maximum is nothing but the frequency, how many times it is repeating, that is nothing but mode, and on average, average in the sense mean, so it is it is actually 35 years. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Please do like, share and subscribe and share it with your friends. Thank you.